Hello, eighth grade. I wanted to come on and record a video to try to get some discussion going in our classes. Whether you are participating in class, unmuting, sharing some of your answers, sharing some of your questions, maybe in the text box is a great way to respond. I am going to each week put up a picture and make a video and ask some questions. And I think it would be really great if you could ask yourself some of these questions and either respond out loud to yourself, write it down, draw a picture, but somehow you should be answering some of the questions and really thinking about it. So your teachers want to know what you know, and they want to know what questions you have. And if you are not asking those questions or you're not sharing some of your ideas, we do not know what is going on inside your smart brains. So again, we are here to help. Remember, you are still in class, and we want to make sure that we are engaging with all of you as teachers, with all of our students. We value your questions. We value everything that you have to say. So we want to hear what you think and what questions you have. So the picture of the week that I am going to throw up here is related to the new novel that you have started to read, Freedom Riders. And I will throw this up while we're reading the novel. And pretty much, I really want you to look at the picture. Okay? So the first thing is, what are some observations? So this word right here, observations. What do you see? Just look at the picture and tell me, who do you see? What do you see? Where is it? Why? All of the things that you can see, okay? Next, I want you to think about some questions that you might have about this picture. Why are there police? What is this man here holding? Is he videotaping something? Is he looking at something? Any questions that come to mind? There is no right or wrong answer from doing this activity, but you do have to participate. So things that you see is your observations, what you notice. What are some questions that you have? And then we're going to go over here to this word, inferences. What can you infer? Or what pieces can you put together looking at this picture about what you know already with your questions and observations about what is happening? What do you think is happening, and how do you think it's happening? So if I see police, these look like policemen, and I ask the question, why are there police? Knowing that we've read now 2 chapters of Freedom Riders and the time period, what's happening, and this is a sit-in, why are the police here? So what inferences or what can you conclude about what is happening? And then the most important, this you will get from your novel or just history. The sit-in. What is a sit-in? What time period were we at? And why are the African Americans sitting and all the other people that are white are standing? What is so significant about this time in history? And I told you it was a sit-in. So what is the history? Okay? There are no right or wrong answers to this, but we need to know what you see, what questions you have, what inferences you are making from looking at this picture, and the history. What is a sit-in? What time period was it? And maybe a great word to use is segregation. Okay, why are they segregated? Why are they separated? Okay. All right, we are going to do one of these each week while we're reading the novel. So as you can see, as I flip through, I have a whole bunch. This is just to invoke conversation. And while your teachers might not hear what you want to say, you can still think about what you want to say. And how you share that is really up to you. Okay, but you should at least be answering these questions. If you are someone that likes to write and respond, get a notebook.
No.
Write down your answers.
No.
If you want to read this out loud and just say it out loud, record it, do a voice to text, but somehow you should be interacting and asking questions. So I hope that this was helpful. If anyone wants to share anything, their observations, their questions, their inferences, or just basic facts about the history around these sit-ins, I would be happy to listen. You can always email me your writing or your responses, or during office hours when I do small groups and help some of you, I would be happy to listen to what you found, what questions you have. And again, we really want to try to keep the communication up, okay? We miss seeing you. We miss having conversations face to face. So this is a way to kind of get our conversation going. I hope this was helpful. Again, I will post another video with a picture. And then you can also look for another video with the vocabulary. Some vocabulary going through each chapter of your novel, The Freedom Riders. All right, I will see you guys later.